Hello my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all a mail opening video. Today I'm going to be opening, as you can see, an envelope. These are stickers that I bought that are Five Nights at Freddy's security breach stickers from Sketchartzstudio. That's her Etsy shop account name. She also has a YouTube channel where it's just sketch arts. Also, I'm holding the microphone in my hand. I am going to put it down shortly somewhere, probably on my collar. But I'm trying to see if this will help my audio be a little bit louder. I'm talking directly into the microphone, so I hope that it doesn't sound distorted. Also, I have the wire dangling very close by, so I hope that doesn't come in frame. If it does, do your best to ignore it. Alright, I've covered up all of our information for privacy reasons, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. And you're going to see this is her business logo, which she had the sticker on there closing it shut. I went on ahead and excuse me, took my X-Acto blade and cut that out very, very carefully all the way around so I didn't cut through my stickers. Luckily, I did open it up and make sure I didn't do that. If you ever do that, be very careful. Don't cut your stickers. It is a little roughed up from being traveled in the mail, but it's okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, my bad. Hope you can still see alright. Try to get that lighting back to normal. I'm going to pop this on my collar. Okay, now it's like right below my chin. And see, we're still recording. I'm trying to make sure the lighting looks alright. Yep. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this. I've already cut this open to make sure I didn't cut the stickers. But I wanted this to be a surprise for you and me. Well, more so y'all than me, because I already took a little sneak peek. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Nope, we're good. Toss that to the side. She's got it in paper, so it's nice and secure and not messed up. So even if I cut a little bit harder through that, I still would have been fine. But don't recommend doing that. That's just for my scrapbooking account. My scrapbooking. If you want to see my scrapbook tour, go watch the last video I uploaded. And now let's go ahead and open this. Is this the right way? Yep. Alright, drum roll, please. That's lame. Anywho. She has a personal little note here. Thank you so much for your purchase. I added a little extra gift for you as well. I hope you enjoy the stickers. Selena. Oh, more scrapbooking stuff. Oh, and I got the Ultimate Edition Security Breach stickers. If you look up Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach Vanny sticker, that was the one I found first. It was kind of hard to find the other ones just by searching on Etsy. So definitely make sure you look through Etsy's search thoroughly. But I will tag her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel in the description below. Ignore that my nails look like crud. Please do. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this. Also, just a heads up, like I tell people all the time, reduce, reuse, recycle. I will reuse this plastic sheet to the best of my ability. I'm trying not to be so close to the camera. The Ultimate, by the way, she has the stickers. You can buy them individually or separately. The Ultimate Edition is all of the characters that she has made thus far. Oh Lord, this was a hot mess to open it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna just very, very gently. She's probably watching this cringing. So I have, starting off, Vanny with the stitch design. And then we have Vanny without stitching. And these are really nice, high quality stickers. You can also watch on her YouTube channel how she makes these using her circuit. Is it called circuit? Cricut? Circuit? What is it called? That big fancy cutter machine. The little paper. I'll probably scrapbook that too. Then next we have Glam Rock Chica, which also came with a set. And this was only like $10, maybe like 12 or 13 with tax and shipping. So that's really, really cheap. Probably cheaper than it should be, but it's just so cute. And these are a good, probably about 2 inches. I mean, you all know my sculptures are about 2 inches. So yeah, about 2 inches. Great sizing. Glam Rock Chica, looking cute. Also, her style is just so cute. That's why I love it. Then she has, I think this is the freebie, because I don't think this was supposed to come with it. A golden Freddy coin. Oh my gosh, that's really bright on camera. Oh, it's the hollow stickers all over again. I'm just going to set that there. Sorry, y'all. Next, we have, if I can get it out. Come here, Mr. Gator. Monty Gator, or Montgomery Gator, if you know him by his real name or his nickname. He's a man of many names. Then we got me not being able to get the stuff out of the plastic. Roxanne Wolf, which I think hers was probably one of my favorite ones next to Vanny. Really super cute. Love that. Next we got... Oh no, they're stuck together. Ah, okay. We got Glam Rock. We got me choking. We got Glam Rock Freddy. I am a mess. We got Glam Rock Freddy, also super cute. These are all about the same size. Like I said, let me just kind of move that up a little bit. Here, let me just take this, lift it. There we go. Move these over. I'm trying to get it where you can see everything in camera, because I know Vanny's getting cut off up there. Okay. There we go. And next we have Glitch Trap, which I think is really cute too. Love, love, love this. Just as cute as the Vanny one. You know I'm a sucker for bunnies. So, yay! And my wire's in the screen. Yay. Like I said, just ignore it. Next, she also drew up a design for both of the human characters that are going to be in the game. If you haven't seen these, then you're living under a rock and you haven't been watching the, the sneak peeks or the trailers for the game. I believe the security guard in this game is called Vanessa, and she's a blonde-haired woman, and you can see her on the figurine that the figure or statue they made with Glamrock Freddy and her and Vanny, or Stitch Vanny, one or the other, chasing her, which I think is really cool, a really original idea. And last, but certainly not least, we drop it on the floor. Hold that thought. And last but not least, we have, I think his name was Gary, the main protagonist, who is the boy who Vanny is trying to pursue in the trailers. And he is just the cutest little thing. I love her art style. Really comes off adorable, whether it be adults or children. And that is the entire ultimate collection of the stickers. You can also buy just the villain set, which will just have the Vannies and Glitch Trap. You can also buy just the main Glam Rock set, which will just have Glam Rock Chica, Roxanne Wolf, Glam Rock Freddy, and Montgomery Gator. And then there's one other variation that you can buy that comes without one or two of the other ones. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, checking the link below so you can check out her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. And yeah, go sub to her channel and give her some love and some support, and watch how these little stickers are made, and watch how some of her other stuff is made. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but I just wanted to show off all these awesome stickers. I just thought they were the cutest thing. Love you guys so, so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Until then, bye-bye, my bunnies.